Is your Windows PC using too much memory and starting to slow down? Microsoft PC Manager includes built-in tools that can free up RAM, reduce background activity, and improve your computer's overall responsiveness. In this guide, I'll show you how to reduce memory usage with Microsoft PC Manager in 2026. First, launch Microsoft PC Manager from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. Once the application opens, you'll see several tools designed to optimize your computer. Click the PC Boost button to quickly free up memory and remove temporary files. This feature closes unnecessary background processes and releases RAM that can be used by other applications. Next, open the Process Management section if it's available in your version of Microsoft PC Manager. Review the list of running applications and close programs you're not currently using to reduce memory consumption. Now go to Startup Apps and disable applications that don't need to launch automatically when Windows starts. Fewer startup programs usually means less memory usage after you sign in. Open Health Check and perform a system scan. Microsoft PC Manager can identify unnecessary files and optimization opportunities that may help improve your computer's overall performance. Finally, restart your computer after making these changes. Restarting clears temporary memory usage and helps Windows apply your new startup settings for the best results. And that's how to reduce memory usage with Microsoft PC Manager in 2026. By regularly freeing RAM, managing startup apps, and closing unnecessary background processes, you can help your Windows PC stay fast and responsive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.